So here we are once again at the March for Life, the National March for Life in Ottawa. It's actually just about ready to start because it's 1:35 in the afternoon. Here I'm talking to a faithful pro-lifer, John, and we were just talking about Linda Gibbons. And John, you've been involved quite a bit with Linda's situation. Can you update us on where she is and what's her story?
She's at Vanier Center for Women in Milton. And
Right.
She's been there for at least 3 months. She'll be having trial a week from tomorrow, which will be the 16th of May. And hopefully justice will be served that day. Because the charge is obstruction instead of breaking the Safe Access to Abortion Act or any possible injunction that might be in place at that particular location, which is the former Henry Morgenthaler Clinic at 727 Hillsdale Avenue. So one key thing about Linda is she keeps silent in court. She doesn't speak. And the reason for that is because she wants to be in solidarity with the unborn child whose voices we cannot hear. Even though in that movie, The Silent Scream, we could see the child moving away from the instruments of death and appearing to seemingly screaming for help, but we couldn't hear because it was the fluid of the amniotic.
Screaming in pain too.
Yeah.
That was the one that was recorded by Dr. Nathanson.
I think so, yeah.
Who was a former abortionist.
That's
and
right.
actually converted to the Catholic faith.
Absolutely.
And God willing, he's in purgatory at least.
And there is hope for every pro-abortion person to come around and to be pro-life.
Yeah, and he certainly did a lot of good work, that doctor.
Oh, big
Yes.
time.
So the idea with Linda is that they would not charge her with her real offense. And why would that be, John? I wonder why.
I would like to say that they're in cahoots, the court or the attorney generals or the crown attorneys are in cahoots with the powers to be. They don't want to rock the boat. They don't want those acts challenged or the injunctions challenged.
No.
And therefore they will charge her with mischief, trespassing, or obstruction.
Right.
And in her previous trial, which was about 6 months ago, the judge actually ruled in her favor and says all charges are dropped. You had a right to be on the sidewalk to disseminate information, whether verbally or by a business card with the hotline numbers for pro-life stuff. So the judge dropped all the charges, and you think that would be setting a precedent for this present court case, you know? So hopefully
Right. So he basically is thumbing his nose up against the existing law, the bubble zone law. That judge.
Yeah. Well, not that judge. Yes, actually. And it would be great to see that courtroom filled up again, because the last court that she had, it was full.
When's her next court appearance?
It's going to be at 10 Armory Street, 14th floor, room number 3, 10 o'clock on the 16th of May.
There you go. What day of the week is that?
That's a Friday.
Next Friday?
Yep.
Perfect. Maybe we'll be there.
I'll be there. For
You
sure,
will be.
Unless, I'm in bed sick or something, who knows. But,
Okay.
I'll do all
Good
I
one,
can.
John. Nice talking to you. We'll talk to you again
Thank you,
soon.
Vince. God bless you, folks.
You too.